Hi, I'm Mazzy. Today I'm happy to share the journey we took to make our home more accessible, especially for my mother-in-law. After losing my father-in-law, we grew increasingly worried about my mother-in-law living alone, especially with a decrease in mobility. We made our home more accessible, a chair lift for stairs, and of course a big challenge, the bathroom. That's when we discovered AKW, who have made it possible for us to have a wet room upstairs.
It can be challenging to know where to begin when it comes to adapting your bathroom to meet changing needs. However, my role can make that process more straightforward for people. When Mazzy and his family were looking to adapt their bathroom to cater to the extended family, I connected them with a highly experienced accessible installations contractor. When sourcing a contractor, it's crucial that they understand how to fit the products to the correct specification, and equally important, that they generally listen to the client's needs.
They put us in touch with Sam from Aged Care Bathrooms, who guided us through the process of getting the perfect solution for my mother-in-law and our multi-generational family. We had a bathroom refurbishment done a few years ago, but AKW assured us their products could seamlessly fit with our existing toilet and sink.
With over 30 years of experience fitting accessible bathrooms, Aged Care are well versed in helping clients to future-proof their homes. We've noticed a growing demand for multi-generational bathroom adaptations, where functionality and style must seamlessly go hand in hand. That's why we frequently choose AKW for many of our jobs. Their products are reliable, long-lasting, and of the highest quality. AKW provide exceptional service support. If we ever have any questions during or post-installation, they're just a call away, ensuring a smooth process. At the end of the day, our goal is to make life easier for our clients. AKW's products help us create not only functional but great looking accessible bathrooms. It's about bringing comfort, style and accessibility together at cost effective as possible. For us, it's more than just a job. It's about transforming spaces to enhance lives. Companies with high quality, reliable products like AKW help us achieve this. So if you're considering an accessible bathroom, we're here to make your vision a reality.
Aged Care Bathrooms took care of everything by removing the bath and fitting new wall panels, installing a shower tray and screen, a seat, grab rails and a shower in just 2 days. We're so happy that we now have a modern bathroom that works for everyone. My mother-in-law can now use it easily and safely. Plus, if needed, AKW offers a ramp for wheelchair access in the future.
At AKW, we strive not only to provide top-notch accessibility products, but also to guide you through the process, ensuring a seamless experience. AKW can make your home truly accessible and comfortable for everyone. We're here to help you create a home that adapts to your needs.
Thanks to AKW and Aged Care Bathrooms, we now have a solution that benefits the whole family. If you're facing similar challenges, I highly recommend exploring AKW's range.
For us, it's more than just a job. It's about transforming spaces to enhance lives. Companies with high quality, reliable products like AKW help us to achieve this. So if you're considering an accessible bathroom, we're here to make your vision a reality.